and I will show you how to make the pattern that looks like this. This is the wool that I used. It is 70% of wool and 30% of alpaca wool, so natural wool. And I was crocheting. I was using chunky wool. It's 70% of wool and 30% of alpaca. Let's start. Let's make a knot and chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Skip the stitch, and to this one make single crochet and work in single crochet and work in single crochet back on the chain you just made. Let's continue. Chain 1, turn the work to the other side, and I will be repeating rows one by one. And I'm repeating 2 rows one by one, and I will show you how to make the pattern that looks like this. The first thing that you have to do is chain 1 and now work in single crochet stitch by stitch all the row, just like this. It's really easy and fast. Now the second stitch that you have to make is a little bit harder. Chain 1, turn the work to the other side. This is how it looks like, and we will make single crochet in this stitch. These are the main 2 loops, but we will be crocheting in this stitch that is in front of us. But we will be crocheting in this stitch that is in front of us, not in the main 2 loops, but in this stitch that is in front of us. Why we are doing this? Because we want to get the braids right here on the good side. And make single crochet all the round right here in this stitch, not in the main 2 loops, but right here in this stitch that is in front of us. And when you crochet, you can see really nice braids on the good sides that we want to get.